How y'all doing today? This is the video that I'm just gonna work on this cabinet a little bit. I'm not gonna clean the whole thing or even really clean it. What I'm doing is I'm gonna take, I've done shoved a lot of my summer stuff up on top, but I did have it all on the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is, since fall is coming up, I'm gonna take all my winter and fall stuff down and put the winter in the back and the fall in the front, but on the bottom shelf so I can reach it better. And then I'm gonna more organize the spring and summer stuff on the top shelf. So yeah, that's what this one's gonna be about, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Basically just getting ready for fall, making stuff easy to reach that I wanna use in the fall. And then when I finish those, the winter will be right behind it and I can just grab that. Okay, so it looks like I don't have a whole lot of spring and summer scents left. What I've got here is Daisy. So I'm gonna push it back. I've got some honeysuckle, some, oh, I forgot what this is called and I can't see. Oh, compassion flower. And then I've got some mint, and I think that's all. I think that's all I've got of spring and summer. Now, the pear is supposed to be a fall scent, but that's kind of in between to me. Let's see what else we got here. Apple cider, and I know I've got a new one. Okay, so there's my new apple cider. And I'll go ahead and put the old one. It's got about this much in it. Stick that up front there so I can use it first. This is acorn spice. Trying to see how many peppermints I have. 1, 2, 3 and a partial. So how am I gonna do this? Tell you what, we're gonna move this pear and I'm gonna put the peppermint in the back. You know what? It's not winter yet and I don't have much stuff up here, so I'm gonna put my winter stuff up here. So I'll put all my peppermints up there. I ordered extra last year, so just to have. So I've got 3 full bottles of peppermint. This one's got a tiny, tiny bit in it. We'll put all those up there. And then this is orange clove. It was technically sold in the winter series, I think, but it's kind of in between to me, kind of between a fall and a winter. And so is the pear. So All right, we'll go ahead and leave the pear back there. I'm gonna go ahead and put this orange clove in the back. This is fall leaves. And I've got a new bottle of Mum, which is what I'm gonna start out with when I clean this week, because I feel like Mum is one that transitions easy, like spring into fall. I got close to about a half a bottle left, plus a whole one. And then this is rose, and I'm wondering, I don't think I'm even gonna save it. It's got a teeny bit in there. What do y'all think? Should I save it? Maybe mix it with water to clean something? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'll save it until I decide. This is, I think it's clementine. So to me, it can kind of be summer leading into fall. So I'm going to stick that here. And I've got an apple, too, that I'm using right now that I'm going to put there. And then my sprays, this is my mint, which I've still been using, but I'm fixing to change over to the Mum. And when I run out of that, I've got the apple cider. This is room spray. I use those pretty much every day. So this is how it turned out. I've got the winter here, and then the spring and summer, and then all of my fall scents are right here. Easy to grab for the next few months. And that's going to be about it on this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Just a quick little tidy and rearranging of my cleaning cabinet. Y'all have a good one. See you next time.